Hello to all young and old artists. Today I'm going to show you how to draw and color this Lamborghini. To make my drawing straight, I use a ruler and draw a very long line. Let's start with the left tire of the Lamborghini and draw a large circle. With a little distance to the left-hand circle, we now draw a second circle a little further to the right. Make sure that both circles are approximately the same size. Then draw a smaller circle in each of the two circles. These are the rubber tires. We continue with the hubcaps. First we draw a very small circle in the middle. And we draw the rest of the shape around this small circle. Next we draw the substructure of the Lamborghini. Here we draw a straight line from right to left between the two car tires. Draw very closely around the car tire. And on the other side of the left tire, continue the line to the left. Draw the same around the right-hand tire and draw the line slightly to the top right on the right-hand side. Now we continue with the car body. We draw a line in the middle, sloping slightly downwards to the left. Continue this line behind the left tire and draw the front section of the Lamborghini. Then connect the body to the tires with a small line. Now we continue with the rear of the Lamborghini. The shape of the rear is a little more difficult, but I'm sure you can manage it. When you have finished with the rear, continue with the upper part of the car body. We start again in the middle and draw to the bottom left up to the hood. Then we draw from the rear to the center and close the outer contours of the Lamborghini. Now we draw the left wing mirror. Next we draw all the windows on the Lamborghini. First we draw the side door windows. Then we draw the front windshield. Next we draw the door of the Lamborghini. We also draw a small door handle. Finally, we draw a headlight at the front and embellish our bumper with a radiator grille. We also embellish the rear. Now that our Lamborghini is drawn, we can start coloring it. The part of the video where I color in is much faster. I painted the car tires in black and gray. I colored all the windows in light blue. I painted the car tires in black and gray. Finally, I used a bright red for the entire body of the Lamborghini. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I'll see you again in the next one. See you soon.